Hello, welcome to Linear AutoCAD Tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more design videos. In this video, I'm going to be understanding how to create text styles. To create your text styles, there are two ways to go about this. The first way is you could use the shortcut ST to create your text style and you enter for it to pop up. Let's close that. Or you can go to your Home tab Annotation panel. You click on this drop down here where you have Annotation and you see the A sign with Standard here. So usually by default you have two text styles, which is Annotative and Standard. So you want to create a new text style, if you go to Manage Text Styles. So the window to manage your text style pops up and you can see the Annotative is here and the Standard is also here. So to create a new text style, all you need to do is to go to New. And it permits you to give it a name. We could say linear text style, and we say OK. Trying to create linear text style now. AutoCAD will permit you to make some edits. So here is the font name. What kind of font do you want to use? Let's say we want to use Times New Roman. You scroll down for your Times New Roman, and that should be after S. Times New Roman here. As you change this Times New Roman, if you notice, this window here shows you everything that is going on. Like once you make an edit, it shows you how it's going to display in real sense when you are using that text style. Change the font. So the font style, what font style do you want? Do you want a bolded font style? You see how you change to bold? Or what other font style do you want? We could currently leave it at regular. That's fine. Then, do you want it to be annotative or not? And you want to change the height of the text. So you change the height. If you use the text and it's too small, we can come back and edit the height so that it gives you a better height. So we could give it a height of say 1 and enter. Then we move forward. For the effects, you want it to be upside down. You want it to be backwards. If you want it to be upside down, we can see the effect there. We uncheck it. Do you want it to be backwards? See the effect, we uncheck it. For the vertical option, it's not active for all font types. For this current font style, which is Times New Roman, is not active. So for the font styles that have this active, you can change it to vertical. For the width, that's how wide do you want your text to be. We could change this to 3 and you see the effect. Can you see that for 3? So let's change that back to 1 so that it's on the same ratio as our height. For it to be oblique angled, that means should it slant a bit, to be italicized. Could say 45 degrees, for example, and you can see that it's slanty to 45 degrees to the right. So we can change that back to 0 because we want our text to be upright and we are done. So once you are done, all you need to do is to enter and you create a text style. Now, when you are done creating a text style, you can go to Annotation again. Here, when you go to text style, just here in the drop down, you can see all the text styles available, and we have linear text style present. So we created the linear text style in our AutoCAD. That will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to share to those who will need it, and also like our video, and also drop a comment below to tell us what kind of videos you want to see subsequently. Thank you for watching.